We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive and expert-driven overview of the DuoDiner graduation gifts 18 plus 2-inch cross necklace with Bible verse, featuring a stainless steel American flag pendant chain designed for men, boys, teens, and dads. This product has garnered a strong reputation, reflected in its 4.7-star rating from over 2,500 customers. In this review, I will share what users appreciate about this necklace, what they find less ideal, and offer an overall impression based on collective feedback and product details. The DuoDiner cross necklace stands out primarily for its meaningful design and symbolism. The pendant features a cross with an American flag motif, combined with an engraved Bible verse from Joshua 1:9 on the back, which reads, "Be strong and courageous." This combination appeals strongly to those who value both patriotism and faith, making it a popular gift choice for graduations, baptisms, Father's Day, and other special occasions. Many users have expressed how the necklace resonates deeply with their beliefs and personal values, making it more than just a fashion accessory. In terms of build quality, the necklace is made from stainless steel, which users report as durable and resistant to tarnishing. Despite its affordable price point, the pendant has a polished finish that gives it a premium look and feel. Several reviewers were pleasantly surprised by how well crafted the cross pendant is, noting that the details, including the American flag stars and stripes, are clear and eye-catching. This level of detail elevates the necklace beyond typical costume jewelry and makes it suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. The chain measures 18 inches with an additional 2-inch extension, which generally fits well for boys, teens, and men alike. However, some users mentioned that the chain could be longer, especially for older men who prefer a looser fit. The chain itself is described as sturdy but somewhat basic in appearance, with a few recommending upgrading to a higher quality chain for enhanced comfort and aesthetics. Despite this, the chain's durability is praised and it seems to hold up well under regular use. Comfort and wearability are important factors, and the DuoDiner necklace scores well here. The pendant is not heavy, making it comfortable for daily wear without feeling cumbersome. Users across different age groups, from young boys to elderly men, have found the necklace fits nicely and is not irritating to the skin. The lightweight nature also makes it suitable for layering with other necklaces if desired. One of the most appreciated aspects is the necklace's symbolic value. Recipients often mention feeling a sense of encouragement and strength from the Bible verse engraved on the back. This spiritual element adds emotional significance that many buyers find meaningful, especially as a graduation gift or token of faith and patriotism. The American flag design further personalizes the piece for those proud of their heritage. On the downside, some users have noted that the chain's clasp and overall finish could be improved to match the quality of the pendant. A few reviews suggest that the chain feels a bit cheap or less refined compared to the pendant's craftsmanship. Additionally, it is recommended to remove the necklace before showering to preserve its quality and prevent any potential damage or discoloration over time. Another minor critique is the size of the cross pendant, which some found larger than expected, particularly for younger boys. While many appreciated the bold statement it makes, others felt a smaller pendant might be more suitable for children or those preferring subtle jewelry. Still, the size works well for teens and adults who want a noticeable and meaningful accessory. Overall, the DuoDiner 18 plus 2-inch cross necklace offers excellent value for its price. It combines meaningful symbolism with quality materials and a design that appeals to a wide age range. The American flag and Bible verse engraving make it a standout gift for anyone who is patriotic, religious, or both. Its durability, comfort, and detailed craftsmanship of the pendant are highlights that users consistently praise. If you are considering this necklace as a gift or for yourself, it is worth noting that upgrading the chain might enhance the overall experience. Nonetheless, the product is sold as a solid choice that balances affordability with meaningful style. The necklace's positive reception and high customer rating underscore its popularity and reliability. I encourage anyone who owns this necklace to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your personal experience can provide valuable insights for potential buyers. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This necklace fits perfectly into the category of Amazon finds and hidden tech gems, as it is a well-loved yet affordable piece that combines style, symbolism, and quality in a unique way. In conclusion, the DuoDiner cross necklace is a thoughtfully designed, meaningful accessory that resonates with a broad audience. Its combination of patriotic and spiritual elements, solid stainless steel construction, and affordable price make it a standout choice for graduation gifts and beyond. While the chain could be improved, the overall product delivers on quality and emotional significance, earning it a strong recommendation from users and experts alike.